Is there somebody in there?
Yes.
12 Delta 12 Central. Have fire, step it up. The car is sinking. There's somebody inside of it, so I'm going to wait in now.
I don't know.
Look out. Wait.
Can I break the window?
Yes, break it. Delta 12 Central, I'm going to be off the radio.
Use the side. Use the side of it, the sharp edge. You don't have much headroom on
Alright, look out.
The doors are locked. I can't get them open.
Watch your head.
Can you start climbing out the back? Can you climb out the back? Climb out the back. Come on. Climb out the back. Come on, the back is open. I need you to climb out the back. Climb out the back. Come on. I took my gun out. I got the back cracked. I can't crack this. Come on, climb out the back. Watch your head. Watch your eyes, guys. Watch out. Watch out. Come on. Come on. Come on out. Come on out. Can you come out the back? Come out the back. Come on. Can you get the door open? I'm trying. Trunk, go out the trunk. Go out the trunk. I got her. You got her? Here. Come on, Nick, I got you. Come on. Nick, if you're fatigued, I got her. Come on. Go. Come on. Are you okay, ma'am? Ma'am, are you okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, I'm going to roll you on your side, okay?
No.